are back with another video on college entrance exam. Today we will be discussing about JAMIA MILLIA ISLAMIA test for BA LLB. JMI BA LLB, which stands for JAMIA MILLIA ISLAMIA Law Entrance Exam 2019, will be conducted by JAMIA MILLIA ISLAMIA University once a year in the month of June. BA LLB is a 5-year integrated program for law, and there are a total of 120 seats. Hi, I'm and in this video, we will be discussing the eligibility criteria for JMI BA LLB exam. Candidate should have passed 10+2 or equivalent exam from a recognized board with at least 50% marks in aggregate. General category candidates must not be more than 20 years, while reserved category candidates such as scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, BC must not be more than 22 years. The candidate must be an Indian citizen. Now let us discuss the exam pattern of JMI BA LLB exam. The total time is 120 minutes and the candidate has to attempt 150 questions. The total marks allocated are 150. The exam is divided into 5 sections. Section 1 is Legal Language English including comprehension. Section 2 is Current Affairs. Section 3 is Legal Aptitude. Section 4 is General Studies and Section 5 is Elementary Mathematics. Exam is conducted in offline mode and in English medium. Each correct answer gives you +1 marks. Minus 0.25 marks are deducted for every wrong answer. We have provided the link of the entire syllabus in the description below. Hi, in this video, we will be discussing a few tips and tricks so that you can crack this prestigious exam. You need to finish 5 sections of JMI BA LLB exam within 120 minutes, which means you need speed with accuracy in order to attempt 150 questions in total. The more you practice, the better chances you have of acing this exam. Make numerical ability and legal reasoning your strong subjects. Practice questions to solve them within the time to increase efficiency. You should lay emphasis not on mugging up the formulas, but instead try to understand the concepts so that you can modify the formulas according to the questions and the requirement. Remember, negative marking is a factor here. Therefore, try not to attempt questions that put you in risk. Manage your time properly. Give appropriate amount of time to each section. Try to improve your time by packing as many tests as possible. Youth for Work provides online mock tests which will be limited to attach to each question. This way, one can learn to finish the entire exam within the time limit.